Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to use the auto tire fill alert system on a 2019 or newer Dodge Ram pickup truck? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through how to use the pretty amazing auto tire fill alert system on a Ram pickup. We'll also help you to see whether or not this is an option that you have in your truck. So we'll show you how to check on that. If you haven't already, please take a moment, go to that bottom right-hand corner and hit that subscribe button. We are approaching 1,000 subscribers, and if we can get there, we're going to keep this channel going. So if you appreciate these videos, please hit that subscribe. Also, like, comment, any other questions you got. I appreciate it. So let's get started. First, you want to go to the driver's door, and you're going to check for the tire inflation placard here. You see it says cold tire inflation, meaning you haven't been driven, at 32 psi for front and rear. So that's what we're going for. Then as you get into the truck, you can start it up and you can look at what it is currently reading your tire pressure at, which it should be at 32 or at 33 on the right, 31 and 30. So you can add a little bit of air on the left, and that's what we'll do in this video. To see if your truck has tire pressure fill alert or not, go to your screen, hit your settings button, regardless of which screen you have, and then you're going to go down to safety and driving assistance. Once you go there, you should see one that says tire fill assist, and you want to make sure it's on. As long as you have that tire fill assist, then you can go ahead and get this job done. So not step out and do it. All right, so now we're going to get started on auto filling these tires. I like to turn a truck on and actually have it running. You can either just turn it on or you can have it running. If it is fully running, the hazards will flash when the system recognizes that you're trying to do the tire autofill. So I like that. But even with it just turned into the on position, it'll still honk to let you know you're full. So what exactly is it going to do? Well, we're going to go ahead and hook it up to the two tires that need just a couple PSIs of air on the left, the driver's side. And what it's going to do is when you get to the proper tire fill, it will honk the horn once and it'll chirp, and that tells you stop, you're where you need to be. If you overfill, it'll honk 3 times. So we'll try to show you both and also show you how the hazards will come on to indicate that it recognizes what you're trying to do. So the truck's running, there's no settings or anything else, it's just running. You're going to take off your valve cover. You're going to hook up your air compressor. And once you get to the proper fill, it's going to honk once to let you know you're there. We're there. Maybe jump a little bit. Now I want to go to back tire. If you see the hazards are flashing, that tells you that it recognizes that we are in the auto tire fill process. So now this one will honk once to let me know we're there. Any second. Waiting on it. It's going to do it. See, that said we put in too much air. I think because we were just a PSI off. So what you do now is you let some air out, and when you let out enough air, because of the 3 honks, 1 honk means you're there. So we're going to let a little bit out, just partially pressing the air. And when it gets back to 1 honk, that means you're right where you need to be. There we go. All right, pretty easy. You never need to do 3 honks. Normally you just hook it up. Usually it's because you're lower than 1 or 2 PSI off. Normally you're getting that alert on TPMS that you need to add air. So you add the air around the truck. 1 honk means you're good to go. Flashing will go off. It just indicates the computer knows what you're trying to do. Awesome feature. Appreciate it. Be sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe we talked about earlier. And again, remember, if I can do this, you can too. Thanks for watching.